So these are the three best of all the best benefits of taking creatine. So the first one is it enhances athletic performance. Creatine significantly boosts strength, power, and endurance, allowing for improved performance in high intensity workouts and sports. This results in greater gains in muscles and mass, overall physical fitness. So the second one is it improve muscle recovery more faster. Creatine helps accelerate muscle recovery after strenuous exercise by reducing muscle soreness and damage. So it really helps to heal faster, like Wolverine. So the third one is it has a cognitive benefits. Emerging research suggests that creatine may enhance brain function, improving memory, mental clarity, and potential protecting against neurodegenerative disease. This makes it beneficial not only for physical performance but also for mental health and cognitive longevity. So if you want to be Dr. Professor X, the best. If you want to be Wolverine, say creatine. Boom!